business is all about relationships. Like that is the heartbeat of any business. And if you don't have relationships, you do not have a business.
Yeah,
And
and being careful with how you build them, not just you
mm,
meeting someone right off the top. Oh, you know what? I think you can help me with this. Or hey, you know what? I am developing an app. Do you think you want to buy into this? Or I just started a GoFundMe. It's like we have talked for 5 minutes. What? Not yet. Let's baby steps. You know.
every time I go into my LinkedIn inbox and somebody hitting me over the head and trying to send me a friend request, and I don't know you. You already trying to pitch me. I don't know you, and you don't know me because you're trying to sell me something I don't need.
Ignore, ignore, ignore. Ignore, ignore, ignore. I can't.
So, yes.
I will say though, when speaking of LinkedIn, but that is another nugget for y'all. That's actually a great place to get business opportunities. You know, as long as you control that. To be honest, that's especially international. My LinkedIn, I think yesterday morning had 74 what do you call it, referrals to do. So yeah, so it's a great
You about to
LinkedIn
have
is it.
75.
See?
Wow. Wow.
But
I need to move.
yeah, it just depends. They do spam you a lot. You know, they do
Yeah.
spam a lot. So I try. What I do is here's another. I really strategically just target the people who are in my target audience, and then I just worry about them. And then I join audio lives to connect with those people as well.
Mm-hmm.
But most of my opportunities, a lot of them, like I had 3 proposals now, but they came from LinkedIn.
Wow. Wow. And so you started in the UAE training, not knowing what the heck you were even going to train. And so like where are you now? How has your business evolved?
I am still a trainer now. I'm a real trainer.
Listen, you was a real trainer then. You got
I
paid
was
for
just about to say that. I was just about to say that.
Okay, yeah, okay. So I'm a trainer. I'm a trainer, but I also do international speaking, and I do a lot of international business business strategies for different companies. I help women to expand their businesses global as well. Um, and I still have my business in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, Bahrain, a lot of pretty much most of the Middle East, except for like Iraq, Afghanistan, places like that.
Mhm.
Saudi Arabia.